Hello once again. Good evening, everyone. I'm Pamela Jello. I'll be your moderator. I'm a data scientist and a marketer. I'm a fourth year student at Kirinyaga University pursuing Bachelor's of Science in Statistics. And I would like to welcome you all to our first meeting. Before we start, I would like to welcome our key speakers so that they can introduce themselves. Thank you. We can start with JC. JC, you can unmute your mic and say hi to the members. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. So, my name is Josphat Rono, but people usually call me JC. I'm a software engineer and a machine learning engineer. I am the founder of Galaxy Software Solutions. I graduated last year from Kirinyaga University. Thank you.
Okay, Kevin Kodil, you can introduce yourself, please.
Evening. So my name is Korir Kevin. I'm a former student at Kirinyaga University. I studied software engineering and now I'm a developer. You are highly welcome. Welcome. Thank you.
Amos, you can say hi to the cloud.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Amos Kiputo and I'm a second year student at Kirinyaga University pursuing Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Yeah, and I'm a part of this community. I welcome you all. Thank you.
Okay, in our today's meeting agenda, as I shared to the WhatsApp group, we will discuss the purpose and the vision of our community. We will explore how we can collaborate and innovate together. We shall also outline ways we can get involved and share some exciting future plans. Finally, we shall be having a QA session. Once again, welcome. So I would like to invite our first speaker who will talk more about our purpose and the vision of our community. JC, you are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome once again. So, JC here, the founder of Galaxy Software Solutions. So, most of you have been asking, what does Galaxy Expert Software Solution do? So, we are offering various software services. That is from custom software development. You have IT consulting, web development, SaaS solution. That's software as a service solutions. You have graphic design, technical support, and maintenance. So our experience in these areas has equipped us with the knowledge and skills to foster innovation within our community. Why the name Dev and Launch Community? So Dev and Launch is just to emphasize the focus of entire process of development process and making sure that the product is being launched. Purpose and vision of the community. So Galaxy Dev and Launch Community is a committed to bring all tech lovers together. So our mission is just to foster collaboration, creativity, and innovation. So we believe that by identifying members with very good ideas, projects, that is, so we can work together to develop this concept and assist in their launch. So I'm going to give you an example. For example, in one of our meeting or our competition, we noticed that someone is having a very good application idea. So what we'll do as a community, we can do collectively brainstorm and develop a process and also to provide support through various stages of the project. So we as a community, we can assist that member by developing that project, that is, and making sure that that product is being launched. So there's many benefits of having a community. First thing is marketing. For example, we are a community of around 1,000 members, and someone produce a product. So that product can be easily be marketed by those members inside the community. So, for example, if that product is launched and become very successful, right? So there's a high probability that that product, that member will be having a high workload. So having high workload, that means he or she would be needing more programmers and software engineers to assist him or her. So where will he or she get software engineers? Atawapata kwa wapi? Kwa community, right? So the first thing that we have benefited has created employment opportunity, right? So when we help a member successfully launch their product, it can lead to increased workloads. So this growth means that those members will need more programmers and tech support. This will create job opportunities within our community, right? I'll just illustrate more on that example, right? Because that member built that product inside the community, that means most of the members are conversant with the product, right? So so by working together, we can provide the necessary talents and help the members to succeed while simultaneously creating jobs opportunities for ourselves. So another thing is that this will foster competition. For example, if one member has produced the best product, as a member, obviously tutakuwa unajituma, nataka kuwa kama yeye, right? So it will create a competition. Kila mtu atataka ku develop his or her product, so that as a community we can help him or her to launch that product, right? The last thing is building relationship. Through the process of developing a product, this will create a strong relationship within the community, which is very essential. So when members work together on a project, they develop bond through collaborations. A relationship can extend beyond project work, leading to lifelong friendship and professional networks. A member might need assistance with different project later. Most of you are wanafunzi, and after mmegraduate mnaenda huko nje, so there's high probability you will need someone to do something for you. Sometimes feel very special to know someone who can do something you need to be done, and you know where to find them. Where will you find them? Inside the community. So finally, so we are committed to help members gain various skills. This will be explained later by our members, my team members. So thank you. That's the overview of the purpose and vision. Thank you.
Thank you so much, JC, for your brief. If you have any question about the purpose and the vision of our community, you can channel it in a chat, or you will write it down, then you will ask at the end of the meeting at the QA session. So I would like to welcome our speaker number 2 of our second agenda, who will talk about the collaboration and the innovation, how we can innovate each other, how we can collaborate as the community. So Kevin Codil, welcome.
Yes, thank you for this opportunity. Let me take this opportunity again to welcome you to this group, which we will foster on innovation and also communicating with the student, collaborating with the student, and also the community. And so today I will be talking about the collaboration and innovation. So in this group, we recommend that we must find a solution of bringing people of diverse skills together so that we can build a community. And our group, the GalaxyXpert group, will be providing various areas. Number one is mentorship program. This group will be having various mentorship programs. We will be sharing students and also those who want to join the development areas like website development, software development, and other areas in the IT field. We will also interacting with the newcomers of this group so that we can build their careers and build their skills. Number two, we will be providing the workshop and skill development among our group members. Workshops and skill development will be having the regular sessions for focusing on relevant technology skills, programming languages, and industrial trends. So those who will need a lot of interaction with the programming will be available, will be ready to interact with you. And another one is networking events. So this group also we will like to have so many connects so that we can build one another, acquire more skills, and also build a community where we will be dealing with innovations and development. We will be having various meetings and sessions for mentorship. We have enough experts who will be interacting with the people who want to to major in technology. We have people who are maybe they are doctors, engineers, but they also have the capacity to know more about field in programming and IT. We'll be providing such areas so that we can build ourselves. I'm the co-founder of this group, and we intend to have more conversation. We'll be having a supportive atmosphere in fostering engagement and empowering each member. We will work together to create a culture. In this field for almost 4 years, I've been building software. I'm currently learning machine learning. So it is like if we come together and build ourselves, I think it will be something of great importance to ourselves, and also building a culture of innovation. And again, this group, I myself have been guiding the fourth year fellows on how to build projects, how to do some new innovation. And I've been doing this for almost 2 years, and it will be very important if I could join the community. I will not talk much. We thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Kevin. As you have all heard, that cooperation is the key to success. So if we work together, we shall go far. So if you have a skill, share to your friends and teach them to do it. If you're a marketer, help each other to market their skills in the job market so that you can succeed together. I would like to welcome our next speaker who will talk on how to get involved in our community. That is Amos, if you're hearing me, you can unmute your mic and continue.
Okay, good evening again. So I forgot to say what I do. Yeah, my name is Amos Kiputo and I'm a front-end developer, aspiring to be a web developer. I'm still in the learning phase. So as we all know, one of the agenda of today is how to get involved in our community. So the number one point I would like to put across is mutual support. Okay, mutual support, it's all about building each other up and ensuring that no one feel isolated. Like kujengana, tunafaa kujengana, that mutual support. And so as we all know, ukiwa na skill in this century, like it is very important. So we believe that everyone has something valuable to offer. Then that is the core value of mutual support. Another thing is active participation. Okay, so for example, tuko na competitions. We'll be having competitions, training sessions, marketing efforts. So if you belong in this community and you have maybe a competition somewhere, we can all help you. Itakuwa rahisi. You'll be guided. So another thing I want to put across is promoting each other work. If you have a project, a tangible project that you want it to be market as JC alisema earlier on, maybe you want it to be market. So by sharing, first of all, by sharing with the community, itakuwa rahisi because it will be easy because you have a community, you have people. And you need people to be successful again. So by sharing for example, you announce your project. So maybe we'll market it through social media, offering constructive feedback, talk on a brainstorm of ideas. Maybe we have somebody mtu anasuggest you need to add this, you need to remove this. Yeah. So that is other thing, promoting each other's work. Okay, so again, how to get involved in this community? We will be having regular meetups, mostly virtually. And the importance of that is to stay connected. So like when we meet, we share updates about what we are working on. We seek feedback. Feedback is very important. We call it constructive criticism. Yeah, and we brainstorm new ideas. If you are working on something new, these meetups will be perfect opportunity to present your ideas and receive input from others. Yeah, you'll have a diverse perspective. Every person has his or her own perspective, so that will help a lot. Again, on the importance of meetups, we all know about networking. Networking is building those relationships, like you know someone and someone knows you. So when we gather and share our win and maybe challenges, we create strong network to support that can all make a difference in both our professional and personal life. It's not all about professional life. Inatusaidia pia kwa your personal life. So you should not feel isolated tukiwa huku hivi. So we hope that through this regular interaction, member will feel more connected to one another to vision our community. So si wote tushasikia the vision and the purpose of this community venye Jesse ametuambia. So that is basically how to get involved in this community. Utakuwa unapata will be getting mutual support. Yeah, as Jesse alisema earlier on, if you have something you want people to know, it will be easy. Yeah, and you need people to success. It is very hard to success when you are alone. Yeah, I think that is pretty clear. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amos. I would like to talk about our future plans as the Galaxy Expert Software Solution. I would like to talk on our upcoming initiatives. We have exciting plans ahead. We will be hosting seminars as you have earned, competitions. Competition is where you will be given some project to work on, and the winner will be awarded some cars, or maybe also you'll be given a client to handle for the client who may be requiring job of trust guide. Yeah, those are some exciting things we shall be offering. We shall be also hosting seminars and also the training sessions. So seminars are the trainings of which will be coached about how to use various softwares as a web developer, as a graphic designer, as a marketer, as a data scientist like me. You will also to get to meet interests and the need of our community together. So by working together, we will be able to meet the mission and the vision of our communities. So our aim is to provide a great learning experience, that is the gaining of the new skills in our areas of study. Sometimes education journey, the learning we learn at school, sometimes not enough. So in the job market, you find that the things that are on the cloud are so different, are totally different from what you learned at some point. So you require additional skills to know. Maybe you say you are a web developer and then you are told to design maybe a tablet or design a graphic design of maybe you are launching a website for that society you are working on. So you need to know top skills like the graphic design if you're a web developer. So and finally, I would like to invite the QA sessions. So if you have any question, you can raise up your hand and get to ask. Collins, you had a question and raised your hand at the middle of communication. So anyone with a question?
Okay, if you have something you can add on, unaweza ongezea kitu, si lazima ukuwe na swali.
Hello group. So once again, I want to welcome you. We have extra skills which are not in the field of programming, but in the field of technology. We have forex traders here who have skills, and you can interact with us so that we can share knowledge. Those are the important areas in the field of technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Korir. Thank you. I've been having most of my clients wamekuwa wakihitaji services, and the worst thing is that I don't have people who knows those skills. Another advantage of this community is that if I know you know something, right? So hakuna haja mimi nirudishe ule client, because within the community I know everyone. I know someone who can do logo design, graphic design, web design. So this is one of the advantage of this community. Yani kila mtu ajue unafanya nini. Unaona? Kila mtu akijua unafanya nini haitakuwa ngumu client akutafute. Then it will be easy for someone to look for you. So maybe as we continue, I know currently right now tuna chat kutumia WhatsApp, and our goal is to get our own platform. I was going to share an example of a very good community, but in our next meeting I think I'm going to share. So yeah, just if you have a skill, just feel free to share. Kindly feel free to share. So thank you.
Hello once again. Alon has asked that I have an idea and I need to explore. I have no idea of where to start and where to go. It is a scratch idea. What can I do? So talk to someone of that field, tell them your idea, and then they will guide you on how to work about it. Yeah, that is the best advice I can give.
I can add on that. Thank you Aaron. So kama uko na idea, ukiwa na idea na niwe peke yako unajua idea, then itakuwa ngumu ile time maybe uta launch. So the best thing about community, if you have an idea and you make sure that you involve the community through the whole process of development. Community amejua umeanza kuunda hii, right? Uko hii stage. So community walikuwa involved during the testing process. Uko na idea, umeanza kuunda. Unaambia watu niko na hii idea ina solve hivi na hivi. Unaona? So kwa idea yao watakuwa wanajua you are working on something, right? So ikifika the moment your product imekuwa maybe imekamilika, so the first people who are going to market that product for you are the people inside the community. Imagine having a community around 1,000 people. Those 1,000 people sharing that product to other people. Itafikia watu wengi sana. So if you have an idea, just put on WhatsApp, then I will tell you what next to do.
Okay, someone had texted in the group whether there will be payment of so maybe in participating in the community project or in the company project when they have been given some work for the clients. Will they be paid? Will there be any payment? That was the question. Thank you.
Okay. That's a good question. Haufai kulipa kujoin group. You don't have to pay anything. Then you ask something that if I give you a job from the client, am I going to pay you? If it is a paid job, sasa mbona nisikulipe? Sijui kama nimejibu vizuri. Is that okay, Pamela?
Yeah, you have answered the question. So guys, mwenye alikuwa ameuliza hiyo swali, I guess umejibiwa. So once you participate in any project, wewe unalipwa. So sometimes back kuna time mtu anaposti kwa group that anataka mtu anajua maybe kuda software, like you guys, if you know you have the skill, kindly DM that person ASAP so that you can get that job. They are paid as you have had. So huwezi kosa kulipwa once you have participated. So anyone else mwenye kona swali?
Maybe just to clarify, you know before I maybe ni connect na client. So I think the first thing is just to build a relationship. Mimi nijue unajua nini. People in the community to know what you do, right? So the moment I've noticed that someone knows how to do, anajua kufanya hii kitu, sasa mbona nisikuconnect? But the moment umenyamazia, so that's why ni poa kuwa active kwa community, ndio nijue wewe unajua kufanya hii. So tutakuwa na opportunity where kila mtu atakuwa na maybe ana introduce anafanya nini. So kwa group, make sure you are very active so that this is a place actually to market yourself. This is a place to market yourself.
Okay, Ezekiel, you can unmute your mic and ask your question, please.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. I am Ezekiel Kirui, and I am a graphic designer and a coming up web developer. And I wanted to inquire about the training. Yes, when will it start?
To emphasize on training, we can start as early as possible. So after you have known all the skills of the others, so I have known for Ezekiel, he's a graphic designer. So the less you can share your skills to us so that we know where we can start to teach you from. Anyone else with a question? Okay, if you have no question, guys, I will give the updates of the next meeting, which will be on Friday. I will share the link to the group and the meeting agenda. I will also share them to the group, and the speakers who will participate in the meeting, I will also share them to the group. But in the meantime, maybe today or tomorrow, I'll share a Google form, which will be a skill check, I think so that we can know you guys where you are good at and where you need to work on, so that we can know where to start from teaching you or training sessions. Where we shall start our training sessions from. Yeah, I think now we can end the meeting. Thank you guys for joining the meeting. Kindly share the ideas to your friend. I know you have earned out what is GalaxyXpert software solution. So you can share what is it to your friends and encourage them to join. As we have found that collaboration is the key to success. Working together will lead you far, but walking alone, you can walk faster, but you will not make it alone. You need people. Kiswahili says that mtu ni watu. So you need each other to move on, to succeed, to remove that idea that you have, to make it a reality. We need one another. That's all I can say for now. And thank you guys. Na mkuwe na usiku mwema. Good night.